Good morning. I am getting ready to customize my CSA Share, so I wanted to do a little video. This could be helpful if you're a current CSA member who is having a little trouble with GrownBy, or also if you are a potential CSA member who's interested in seeing how it works. So I logged into my GrownBy account on my phone on the app, and you can see here that Fullwell Farm is my favorite farm, and I have a little notification on the top of the page that says that my window is open for customizing. This is also a pop-up that shows up when I first logged in, so I can go to my customization page. There's a little info down here about the CSA. So this is the share based on my preferences and the farmer's choice. So we choose these items based on availability, and as you can see, there's a diverse array of items: cherry tomatoes, basil, poblanos, dragon beans, carrots. Looks really good. But also, if you have preferences like allergies, you can change long-term preferences here. So this would be a place to say, yeah, like no onions and garlic, or I'm allergic to something. So for now, I'm going to look at this box and say, okay, this week I don't want eggplant, so I want to add or edit products. Now, this is the part that is a little confusing to folks, because it takes you to our farm store where the share works kind of like a coupon. So I have $32.50 to spend, and I can choose anything with the custom share choice badge. So within here I see a bunch of different things. I could add pickling cucumbers, but what I'd like to add instead is some lettuce. So there's some lettuce. That sounds great. And then I want to get rid of the eggplant. Which is here. Okay. So then lastly, I'm also going to add some blueberries. Now, the blueberries do not have the badge. You can see that unlike the other vegetables, the blueberries don't, which means I'm going to have to purchase those separately. So now let's go up to my cart. So I still have basil and beans, broccolini, carrots, lettuce, poblanos, and cherry tomatoes. I'm also going to get rid of the poblanos and my blueberries. So I'm going to check out. And there's my coupon. So my subtotal is $33.25, but $6 of that is the blueberries. And the blueberries I can't use the coupon for. So only $28 of my cart was part of the CSA. And then I used $5.25, which is the cost of the blueberries, out of my Fullwell Farm credit. So there are other ways to pay. You could click in here to use credit, or you could use a credit card, and then you just check out. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. We then get this order and are able to pack it and send it to your pickup location. You have to get to this confirmation page. I think a lot of people go through the customization and don't do the checkout part. So yeah, make sure you get to this page. You should also get an email, and then we deliver your share to your pickup location Tuesday and Wednesday. Thanks for watching.